Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if your Apple account profile photo not removing from your iPhone. Maybe you change or remove the photo, but when you go back to your setting, the same photo appear again and again. If you are facing this problem, don't delete the photo from your Photos app or iCloud photo. In this video, I will show you the correct way to fix the problem and replace your personal photo with a simple default style avatar. So let's get started. First, let me show you the problem. Open the settings. In the settings, at the top, tap on your Apple account. Here you can see the profile photo associated with your Apple account. Tap on personal information. At the top you will see the same photo again. This is the photo we are going to change. If you want to change, first you need to tap on change button option. This open the avatar and poster customization screen, and this is where many people get confused. You may see the options such as photos, monogram, memoji, emoji. If you select photo again, you are simply choosing another photo, but your goal is to get rid of the personal photo. So instead of selecting photo again, tap on monogram like this. Now you will see different initials based design. Choose a simple one that you like. For example, I am selecting this, and then you need to simply save the settings. That's it. Now go back to your iPhone settings once again. Now you need to check your photo was changed or not. Still the problem is same guys. Your photo is appearing again and again. You need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, check your phone internet connection, and main important thing, phone date and time setting. If you are connected to any VPN, you need to disconnect it, and then open your phone settings once again and go to journal and go to software update, and if the update is available, simply go ahead update your iPhone. After updating, try to change your profile photo once again. Now it will 100% fix the problem. Okay, still the problem is same. You can try changing your Apple account photo by logging your Apple account on other device like PC, laptop, or in the web browser. Try to change on that. It will 100% solve your problem. So that's how you can fix the Apple account profile photo that keep coming back on your iPhone again and again. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to TECHiFY, and turn on notification for more useful iPhone tips and troubleshooting tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next amazing tutorial. Thank you very much.